friends, today we're going to do a short 10-minute workout focusing on balance and agility. This is going to help you counteract some of the damage that we've done to our bodies by sitting all day, and it's also going to help us with our everyday lives. Balance is such an important thing. This is part stretch, part exercise, so let's get into it. All you're going to need for today's workout is a sturdy chair and something to step up on. It can be your stairs, it can be a low stool. Make sure it's sturdy and make sure you step into the middle when we get to that part. We're going to do a minute of each of these exercises and then a little bit of a cool down. First one, heel raises. So use the back of your sturdy chair. You're going to come up on your toes and down. You want to have your feet about shoulder distance apart. It can be a little narrower if you like. You can play with it to see what's the most comfortable for you. This is working our calf muscles, something that gets not a lot of attention, especially if we're not out walking a lot. Watching my clock here, we're halfway done. Remember, we're doing a minute of each, but if you need to stop and rest, just jump back in when you're ready. We're not going to take rest breaks in between movements. We're going to go right from one to the next. Our next movement is going to be a single leg lift, alternating. So that's lifting, down. Other side, down. You can use a counter if you don't have a chair nearby. This is a great one to do when you're waiting for your coffee to brew. Try to keep your torso upright and not bend with this. We're trying to work our obliques, our hip muscles, all kinds of lower body good things happen with this exercise. Halfway done. The next one is going to be a single leg hold. We're going to pick up one leg and we're going to hold for 30 seconds. Now you can use a couple of fingers on the chair if you need. The goal obviously is to be able to stand with your leg raised without. If you need to touch your toe down like I just did, I don't have the best shoes on for doing this. Honestly, this is best done barefoot. And we're going to switch legs now in 30 seconds on the other leg. This is great for your balance. If you can't pick your leg up as high as I am, even if you have your toe touching the ground, that's a great place to start. And then when you can pick it up, go ahead and pick it up. If you need to every once in a while touch down with a finger or two, that's absolutely fine. Now we're going to move on to our step-ups. And we're going to alternate feet. So I'm going right and then left. Keep your torso nice and tight. The height you use is totally dependent on where you are in your fitness level right now. If you need to look down to make sure you're going to hit that step, please do. This one's a little longer. We're going to do this for 2 minutes. We're halfway done. Remember to alternate, and remember, if you get tired and you need to take a break, absolutely fine. Get your breath, shake your legs out, and come right back in with us. Core engaged here, very important. I have a lot of clients say stepping upstairs bothers their knees. But if you strengthen your core and your quads, then you're taking that upward pressure off your knees. After this, we're going to go down on the ground for bird dogs. Getting that out of the way. And remember, a bird dog is hands and knees. You can put something under your knees if you need. Opposite hand, opposite leg goes out. And when you hit the out part, stretch out just a little bit. This is a great core exercise that takes the place of crunches or sit-ups. And now we're going to do a seated twist. You can actually do this in your chair if you want. I like doing it on the ground. One leg down, one leg up. We're going to twist to the back, and we're going to hold. You can also have your other leg straight, if that's easier for you. And we're going to switch and do another 30-second twist in the other direction. Torso up straight. Again, if you're seated in your chair, you would have both feet on the floor. And done. Come back to standing. We're going to do some deep breathing for about 30 seconds, and then we're done. One last one, big breath, and exhale. You've just completed an awesome 10-minute strength and balance workout. Let me know how you feel. I hope you enjoyed today's workout. Make sure you check out some of my other programs. There's some links in the description below. There's other playlists on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you find out when I upload new videos, which I do a couple times a week at least. And most importantly, see you next time online.